YouTube, what's happening, man? It's your boy to the hallway, back in this thing again, like I said. If you haven't already, man, come on, like, comment, subscribe to the channel, because I'm going up. I've been out the way, keep me out your mess. I ain't tasting hoe. YouTube, what's happening, man? It's your boy Dre the hallway, back in this thing, man. So this is day 3 of me dropping off my rims. Today was the pickup day. So, you know what I'm saying? I'm really excited about that. They were ready yesterday, but it rained yesterday like real hard. So, you know, my tires, my factory tires already ain't that good. So I wasn't gonna drive my car and go pick them up yesterday. But I'm gonna show you I ain't gonna show you all of them, but I'm gonna show y'all what the one that was the most bent. They did a really good job, man. Let me turn this camera around so I can show y'all right quick. So yeah, he was talking about they was gonna have to take out my tire letters, but obviously they didn't have to do that. They aired up the tire too. So the tire still got a whole lot of tread on it. So 265/35 is too big for the tire. So I went on and ordered 265/30s. But you know what I'm saying? That's the back of the wheel. That's the back of the other wheel. But they all, you know what I'm saying, they repowder coated them and everything for me. So, you know what I'm saying, we should be good. As you can see, this tire it's pretty bald. So and let me know I need an alignment. But yeah, man. Yeah, I need an alignment because I think when I hit that little curve a little bit, kind of like messed up my alignment a little bit. But as you can see, look at that. Yeah. So these will be, I will be putting my wheels back on next week. I already got my my tires. So I just gotta go to the shop and have them put it on. But first I'm waiting on I got one more tire coming in so I can put my tire letters back on my new tires. But the 265/35 2022 will be for sale. You can see that they got plenty of grip. Plenty. And so this one not so much. But my dog's going crazy. But yeah, man, it's a wrap. Like I said, man, I appreciate everybody, man, been rocking with me. I'm sorry I ain't been posting like I should or posting every day like I should. I'm gonna get back on it. Like, we have a lot of stuff going on, so. But you see. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe to the channel. I'm going up all the rest of 2023. You know what I'm saying? There's a will, there's a way. Every day above ground is a good day. We're doing the legit way. No more than that ski man. I'm out of here. Peace.